Well, welcome back, smart listeners. So, still with us, BPEC. So, we are going to continue our discussion entitled personal branding. But before that, we have newcomer here. Could you introduce yourself, brother?
Okay. Let me introduce myself. My name is Richard. You can call me Richard. I am from BPEC Makassar.
Oh, nice. Okay. Yeah. Okay, but anyway, I have a question for you. So, have you known our topic tonight?
Yes, I already read the topic.
Ah,
It's about personal
yeah,
branding.
personal branding. So we have discussed about personal branding and we have shared a lot of good insight. So what about you? So what is your opinion about personal branding?
Well, actually, to be honest, personal branding is some kind like you promote yourself to anyone, which is you promote yourself, that you tell everyone that you are good. I mean, you always show the good insights to everyone. You never show your bad sides. So I simply say that if you wanna increase your personal branding, sometimes you need to be hypocrite.
Wow, hypocrite.
Yeah.
Hypocrite.
Tell us what it is.
Fake it till you make it, right?
Why you say so?
Yeah, because everyone that wanna increase their personal branding, they always be hypocrite. Yeah, if you don't be hypocrite, you will. I mean, people will judge you. You will not reach the personal branding of you. If you show your integrity, like your good attitude, everyone will prove that you are a great man, you are a kind man.
Yeah.
But in another side, you just so like.
So it means that based on your statement, what I got is that personal branding is very important, even if like sometimes you do it unintentionally. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, let's continue our discussion. So move to our brother Alwin. So brother Alwin, yeah, I've asked brother Budi about his opinion regarding personal branding, and he said that it's totally important, especially in your career, also in your social life. What about you?
Yeah, I do agree with him because personal branding is essential because it allows us to highlight our passion, our abilities, so that people can figure out or who we really are. In terms of applying for scholarship or maybe go for an internship or sort of things. Yeah, yeah, it is essential for me.
Oh, it means that it's totally important for us because it's actually helping ourselves, especially in our academic level, as well as in job field and etc. But almost all of you guys think that personal branding is always have positive side. But do you think that personal branding having like negative side? But Alwi, what do you think? Interesting question, isn't it?
Yeah, I'm not sure, but I think every good has its bad side. Like, yeah, of course, every positive thing has a negative itself. What is your question again?
I mean, do you think that personal branding always give positive impact? Do you think that personal branding probably also has like negative side?
Yeah, as we talked before, personal branding has many benefits. Like one of them, you can totally promote yourself or even exaggerate yourself. But it also has a negative side. Like many people tend to do it for example, in social media. Like many people want to brand themselves like they are exaggerating or even they are flexing into social medias. Like they don't show they really are.
So like our brothers say, people like hypocrite. Okay. So do you think that it's dangerous when the people do not show who really they are? For example, like previous years ago, there was like an issue, a Telegram like an influencer. They flex their money, their rich, their how they spend something on it, like buying this kind of stuff. Do you think that it's really dangerous? Like they this man tried to manipulate all of people to join with their business, for example. Did you remember about that case?
Yeah, but in my opinion, it's not dangerous for the doers, but it's dangerous for those who see on social media. Like for example, when other people flex in social media, like they are showing that they are wealthy or that they are rich, but when children or people see it, like they want to become rich in a short period of time.
Okay, in a simple way,
As a matter of fact, they will do many things. Like they do like bad things, like they steal other people's money, or they ask their parents' money. They force their parents in order to buy something that they see on the internet, especially on social media.
Yeah. Okay. It's like also becoming an issue. Yeah. Moving to our sister. So, Sister Sam. Actually, there are two unique opinions that I got, especially coming from our bro Alwin, and also Richard. They said that personal branding is not that good because sometimes it's not showing who we really are. Sometimes people use it for their own intention or their own benefit, like scammer. They do like flexing in social media in order for people to join their fake business, for example. So what do you think about that?
So I think yes, definitely I agree with them because I have seen like a lot of things that happen in our life. Also, as you guys mentioned, that there is like an influencer who show off their like luxury life. For example, they buy the luxury car, luxury houses, and those a lot of luxury thing that they have, and it makes like the other people or the viewer, the one who watching their life will be like, I want to be like them. I want to be become the one who is rich and have a lot of things, have a lot of money. And I think it's due to like it's because they went to, for example, they because honestly, we in this society, especially on social media, we can't really distinguish like whether or not this person is a very genuine person, or they are just like flexing, they're just like showing off their things, or even in the back there is like the back intention in front of like the luxury life they have. For example, they want to like get the benefits from it, because the followers will be follow them, because most of us as a human being want to like the easy money.
They want to become popular.
They want to become popular by faking everything, by looking good, by doing like sort of a lot of like too holy, how to say, like exaggerated, and doing the things that it's like not make sense anymore.
Oh my god. Okay, because it means that sometimes people, especially the bad one, capitalize
Yep.
the good benefit of personal branding, isn't it? Okay, that's a nice answer, Miss Sam. So back to our brother Richard. So brother Richard, you said before that the moment when people, someone doing personal branding, sometimes they show the things that they are not. So what do you think about that?
Okay, I think that the person needs to, I mean, they don't want to show everything, that all of their bad side. They wanna show their good side because of, I said before, they, by showing their good side, their personal branding will increase quickly, yeah.
Yeah.
Rather than you show everything, I mean, like you balance your side, like you show the good side and the bad side. I mean, your personal branding cannot quickly increase.
Yeah,
But
sure.
if you always show the good side, it will increase quickly. Not just for example, yeah, but as you can see right now, we are in here. We try to increase our personal branding, is it right?
No.
Yeah, this
Could
is a
be
little
clear example, yeah.
Yep.
Okay.
Like we come to this place and then we talk. After that, we got a photo, yeah. After you
And
got
we
a
show up on
photo,
social media.
you can upload to your social media, especially LinkedIn. You know,
Ah.
LinkedIn.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
It's the most important apps if you wanna if you are a job seeker, or you wanna apply for a company. They will looking for
Job
your
vacancy.
or you want to apply for a scholarship. They will check your LinkedIn. I ever experienced about this before. Do you know ISMA?
Yeah, it's
I,
yeah.
Isma.
I applied for ISMA, and then they asked me to inquire to put my LinkedIn account in that.
Yeah.
So I need to
Arrange your link.
I need to arrange my LinkedIn as well as possible. yeah.
Wow. Yeah.
It's the personal branding. Sometimes I saw a lot of people posting their GPA or their not scholarship, their certificate, like e-certificate. They post it on their LinkedIn. After that,
yeah.
they I mean, they don't hope, but I mean, it will increase the chance for them to
The probability, yeah,
getting
to be
promote.
promoted.
Yeah.
It means that based on your statement, what I can get is that sometimes the situation forces us to do like personal branding, isn't it? Such as like, for example, you want to get a good promotion or being accepted by people and etc. But before that, we are going to break for about probably 10 to 15 minutes. So smart listener, don't go anywhere because we are going to back soon. Stay tuned.